So I recently picked up these Skar VD-10s. These are the D4 version, and I recently put them in my Dodge Ram 1500. This is a 2011, and I found the box separately. I do know that Skar makes a box that comes with the same exact subwoofers basically, but I went a slightly different route, just got my own box and put the subs in, wired it up myself. Basically, I wired the subs up in parallel, and then I hooked them up to a 1000-watt Stinger amp. So let me go ahead and show you guys the subs and how they look. Unfortunately, here on Amazon, I can't show you guys the actual music, but I could definitely show you guys the subs moving and just do a voiceover over the audio. All right, so here's a closer look. These subs are absolutely beautiful. They are just 10s, but these are really thick 10s, and they have a lot of movement to them. I was able to hook them up really easy. There are going to be 2 positives and 2 negatives on the back of these, so you guys just have to figure out how you're going to connect them. For me, if I wanted to get these both at 1 ohm, I had to wire them up in parallel, and I just got them hooked up to that Stinger amp right back there. Overall, these feel very high quality. I've had a bunch of subs in the past, and I've always wanted to try these out just because they flex so much. They're also very durable and can take a lot of power for only being a 10-inch sub, which is another benefit. So they may not be a 12, but these are sure a really nice 10. All right, so let's do a quick sound test. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on some non-copyrighted music here, and I'll go ahead and show you guys how much these flex. So strong. So as you guys can see here, there's a whole bunch of movement in these subs. They do come up pretty high, so unfortunately if someone's sitting on the seat, it does hit the top of the seat. Now you guys could probably get around that issue by getting a different box, something that's a little bit more shallow. But what I do is if I have guests in the car, I'm usually not blasting the subs anyways, and I just leave it open just like this most of the time. So overall, they hit pretty hard too. It's definitely a little different than having a 12. You'll feel that more in your chest, but these are very punchy. And for a truck cab, getting 2 10s in here sounds amazing. Just keep in mind, I'm coming from a setup that used to have 2 12s with separate amps with ported boxes as well, so it's very different. But overall, I'm super happy with the setup, and this is definitely the nicest sub I've ever had. All right, guys, so let me go ahead and show you. We can shut the seats. So if you guys do need to sit someone there, that's definitely doable. And overall, just really happy with the performance of these Skar subs. So anyways, if you guys are looking for really high quality 10-inch subs, these are a really good one to look into. You can see the cone is high quality, all of the stitching, all of this rubber or silicone is super high quality. So anyways, that's gonna be it for my really quick review of these Skar subs.